welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is good. I apologize for the lack of videos I've been uploading, but I did do a sneaker event. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. Guys, we are here, set up at Kicks up front. It's going down on a Sunday. Yes. Got my help here. Say hi, Ashley.
Hello.
And my heart right here, Mr. Harkey. That's what's up. Repping the original Afro-Arab brand tee. Are we sweating up in this piece?
Are we doing stickers?
No.
Wow.
Yes. Straight from my closet. I thought I was playing. Come on out, Arlington Convention Center, 1200 ballpark. We here. I had so much fun, but it was just too loud to upload the footage because you couldn't hear anybody speak. When people asked you about the prices of the items that I had, I literally had to pretty much get ear to ear with them to hear them. So very bad sound system that they had at the event. So I am back today, but before we get started, if you guys are not subscribed, please do so. Thank you guys for the 100 hit on the subscribers. I really appreciate it. But hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, give me a thumbs up on this video, leave comments, anything of that nature. Help this channel to grow, and I really appreciate it. So without keeping you guys waiting, this is not my most recent purchase, but I'm trying to go in order. I have several purchases that I have gotten here recently, so I'm just trying to upload in the order in which I have received them. But today's video is for a Dunk Disrupt. Topped it off with Nike on, let's see, I just had it up, on June 21st. I know, we're in a whole new month now, but just please forgive me. But it is a Dunk Disrupt. Typical orange and white Nike box that it comes in, as you guys can see. And this is women's 8.5. And here are the contents. Yes, I have really come to love this shoe. I do have the all red pair. And I was looking at this on StockX for about 2 months. I kept saying, do I want it? Do I want it? Do I want it? I'm glad I didn't cop it because I was able to get it at retail price on Nike. Like I said, I was able to cop it on there. But the colorway on this one is what caught my eye. I love shoes with multiple colorways on it. I really like the thickening here of the sole. And of course, like I told you guys in a couple of my past videos, black sole is becoming a favorite of mine. And just Dunks in general, like I said, I really am falling towards the low tops. I really like low tops now. I think that's pretty much all I've copped here recently. Maybe a couple of mids, but in most part, mostly low tops. But yes, on your sole here, you have, again, black with the little cushion bubble here. I guess that's what you call it, impact. And then here, back on the heel, you have your typical Nike there with the swoosh. And then here on the toe box, you have the white mesh material with green leather, edging the toe box there. It's your black swoosh on top of the yellow. And you have your navy here, also navy laces. And then you have the red here around the heel and the pull tab area. And the swoosh in black does come around underneath that, which I thought was pretty cool. It was continued all the way across. What else? Oh, inside you have the black, what is it? Insole with Nike on it in white. And of course, everybody loves this unfinished tongue or open exposed tongue here on top. I wish it could have been thicker. That would have been a lot sweeter, I think. And then here you have Nike on top here of the black and white. You have your little literature here on the back. But yeah, not too much I could say about this shoe except that I just really like Dunks. This, again, it's my second pair. There are multiple colors on StockX, believe it or not. I guess they drop in other countries or cities, I guess. But I guess they're coming to us at a later time. But like I said, I saw this one on StockX for a long time and was contemplating getting it, but I didn't want to pay over retail. But yes, it did release on Nike and a couple of other colors. I know all black, all red, black and white, And there was a white with a silver swoosh. I didn't even attempt to get that one because I didn't like that at all. But it did sell out, so to each his own. But yes, I really like these because there's not a lot of hype behind it. Very comfortable shoe. Very different. I really like it, the style of it and everything. I'm not sure why a lot of people aren't going for these, but you know, I guess a lot of people are feeding into the hype of a shoe right now, but I get what I like. And this is one that I'm definitely coming to like to become one of my faves. So yes, this is the Nike Dunk Disrupt. You guys let me know down below if you have copped any pairs of these. Like I say, there are several colorways on StockX. Pretty reasonably priced, I think. The black and white, I think anything that's like two-tone or multicolor is kind of expensive right now. But like I said, I think it's well worth it. If you can catch it retail, do so, but these are very nice. So this is the Dunk Disrupt women's multicolor dunk. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I am Jaywalking Diva. Again, if you're not subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Comment if you'd like to see other material, anything of that nature. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for rocking with me. That's it. You guys stay safe and have a good one.